This grille, this stance, this presence. This is not your average Escalade. This is a statement on wheels. This is what happens when American power meets European obsession for perfection. And if you've ever wondered what luxury and brutality look like standing side by side, sit back, hold your breath, because the next few minutes are going to change the way you look at SUVs forever. This is the Cadillac Escalade, but not the one you see every day on the street. This one has been completely reborn through the hands of LARTE Design, a name known worldwide for turning already powerful machines into rolling pieces of art, blending American muscle with German-level precision finishing and a road presence so dominant that people literally stop at traffic lights just to stare. And today we're not just showing you a car, we're breaking this beast down piece by piece. Its carbon fiber armor, its heart-pounding engine, and an interior so refined it feels less like an SUV and more like a private jet cabin on wheels. So buckle up, because from the outside in, this Escalade is about to prove why it's not just a vehicle, it's an experience. Let's start right here with this grille. A full honeycomb mesh pattern wrapped completely in real, woven carbon fiber, and right at the center, that iconic Cadillac shield glowing with confidence, announcing this SUV's presence from a mile away. And look down just a little, and you'll spot the LARTE Design signature front splitter. Sharp angles, aggressive cuts, and razor-thin LED accent lights that turn this SUV into an absolute predator the moment the sun goes down. Now walk around it. Every single panel has been reshaped. Every curve has been sharpened. Every line has been redrawn with purpose. This isn't just a body kit. This isn't just carbon fiber for the sake of looking expensive. This is engineering with intent. This is a full transformation from a luxury SUV into a rolling masterpiece of aggression and class. Now let's pop the hood and take a closer look at what's really driving this beast. A twin-turbo setup, a carbon fiber engine cover that looks like it belongs in a supercar, and piping so clean, so precise, it instantly tells you this is not a machine built for comfort alone. This is a machine built to perform. And check out these wheels. A multi-spoke design finished in a deep gunmetal tone that perfectly complements the black exterior, paired with LARTE-branded brake calipers that aren't just for show, they're proof of serious, track-level stopping power. Riding on 285-section Michelin tires that grip the road like they were born for it. Meaning, this SUV doesn't just go fast, it goes fast with total, complete control. Because power without control is just noise. And this is power, refined. Now let's step inside. And this is where the Escalade truly earns every letter of its name, with diamond-stitched, quilted leather seats that wrap around you like they were tailored just for you. Individual captain's chairs in the back, each designed for maximum comfort. So it doesn't feel like the back seat of an SUV. It feels like a private business-class cabin, floating a few feet above the road. The steering wheel features hand-finished carbon fiber spokes, gold contrast stitching, and a glowing Cadillac crest that adds a premium touch to literally every single glance you take at it. Mountain roads that twist and turn for miles? It devours them. Snow-covered highways where most cars slow down in fear? This Escalade simply glides through, as if the weather itself decided to step aside. Power, presence, and perfection. 3 words that rarely come together in one machine. But here, in this Escalade, they don't just coexist, they collide, beautifully. This isn't just a car you drive. This is a car that announces you before you even step out of it. This is an entrance. This is a legacy. This is a name that doesn't need to be said out loud, because everyone in the room already knows. So if this transformation gave you chills the way it gave us, smash that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you drive this beast? Yes or no? And if you're hungry for more insane transformations like this one every single week, hit subscribe and don't forget to tap that bell icon so you never miss a single drop. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay classy, stay powerful, and stay unstoppable.